In the last 3 weeks, Fort St. John RCMP have responded to 2 deaths where drug use is suspected. People in the community have also said they've seen an unknown drug in Fort St. John. The RCMP say the substance behind the increase in overdoses remains a mystery, but hopefully not for long.
We've seized some illicit drugs, and we've sent those drugs to our lab for expedited testing to try to determine what we are dealing with. Is it a new type of drug analog? Or is it a more traditional type of drug that's being cut with something? We're not sure at this point.
COVID-19 restrictions have blocked off a large chunk of supply, raising the price of street drugs. With limited supply, dealers are also cutting drugs with other substances, making it impossible to know exactly what people are getting. Executive Director of the FSJ Women's Resource Society, Amanda Trotter, says people need to be on high alert.
We have had people who've come in and said to us that the substance that seems to be causing the most extreme overdoses at the moment has only been in Fort St. John in the last couple of weeks. It's a blue-greenish substance, neon-coloured.
The Women's Resource Society is giving away naloxone kits, no questions asked. In response, Northern Health is also extending its harm reduction services. Chief Medical Officer for the Health Authority, Dr. Jong Kim, says his team was expecting to see an increase in overdoses during the pandemic. However, the result has been far worse than imagined.
What we are seeing is still worse than what we expected, unfortunately, with the disruption of a social support network, as well as community services with the COVID-19, as well as the worsened drug supply.
Dawson Creek hasn't seen an increase in overdoses like FSJ. However, experts agree the key factors in the fight against the OD crisis are lifting the stigma surrounding drug users and making sure that no one is using alone.
The fact that this is now having such a dramatic effect on the people of Fort St. John, we really all need to come together as a community and do everything we can to keep each other safe.
Naloxone is available for free at the Women's Resource Society and the Fort St. John Mental Health and Addiction Services building. People can also use the Lifeguard app as a way to stay safe and prevent a potential overdose. Austin Lee, CJDC-TV News, Fort St. John.
Salon and barber services provided by Skinovations. Be swept away to a world of peace and tranquility at Skinovations Salon and Day Spa.